Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another haul video to show you guys because Echo Park was having another warehouse sale. I can't pass it up, guys. I can't. I have a problem. But I'm showing you guys another warehouse sale. Again, if you don't know about them, sign up to their newsletter. Follow me on Instagram. I always post about them when they do have them available. So definitely check it out, guys. I mean, you get paper for so cheap. Like the collection kits I got for less than $5, I believe. I think I got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I didn't. So I didn't get them for $5 because I think to get them for $5, you have to buy 10 of them. But I still got a discount because I am a club member, and then I also had a coupon code. So I still got them cheaper, even though they weren't $5. Maybe they were after all my discounts. I don't know. But let me show you guys what I picked up from the Echo Park warehouse sale because I can't say no. Alright guys, so I did pick up some more enamel dots. I got another one of these. I think I had this one before. The Merry Christmas by Cartabella. I'm just going to cut them up and put them in my stash. I got this one. This is Cartabella Farmhouse Market. I think that's what that is. Yeah. I also got this one, which is Wish Upon a Star, which just matches any of like the Disney collections. I got this one called A Gingerbread Christmas. I got another one of the Farmhouse Markets, and this one that says Hello Baby. So I just got a bunch of enamel dots. These I think were like $2, and after one of my discounts it's like $1.80, and then I think I had more money off on top of that as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna organize that into my little drawers. If you haven't seen my enamel dot storage, I'll have that video linked down below for you guys as well. But I basically just cut them all up and organize them by color. It's easier for me to use them that way. Okay, so that's that. I also picked up some Baby Girl chipboard. I have the Baby Girl collection kit, so I picked up some chipboard. I want to make some baby albums. Not sure when I'm getting to it. I still have to make my nephews first before I make some to sell. But there's that one. And then there's a baby boy one as well, which is the same exact thing. So this is going to be easy to work with because I have both. I can make 2 at a time. It's like the same papers and everything, just different color schemes. One for baby girl, one for baby boy. So at least that one will be a little bit easier than reinventing the whole entire wheel for both. I also got these chipboard accents. I think Tiffany got these in her last warehouse sale. And I was like, why didn't I get some of those? So here I did. I picked some up now. I'm glad they still had it. So I got these. These are like a wedding day collection. You've got like your little chipboard, the little car. I love the little rings. And if you wanted to, you could take those off of there and add them onto like a dangle. They don't have to be on here. Like those are nice and little. You could add them on a dangle. I would just probably color the back side with a gold or mat it with gold or something. Then I also got the Summertime chipboard. How cute are these? And guys, I did also order like the Halloween Market 6x6 paper pad. I tried to order 2 of those and they canceled that. It seems that every time I place an order, they're always canceling something. Anyway, so I got the chipboard phrases and the chipboard accents from the Summertime collection. So these are both the same from the same collection, but they're different chipboard elements. I love this one that says summer up here. I love that. Love the pineapple and the watermelon. So cute. So those are really adorable. I have the 6x6 of that paper pad. Okay, next up I have By the Sea. So I got 2 of these, so I'll show you guys one. I got 2 of this, which is Best Summer Ever. I got the Tartan in these like pastel colors. Did I get this last time? I'm gonna have to check my previous order so I don't show you guys double. And then I got Magical Adventure, which you guys have seen before as well. I got it last time, but I've also shown it previously in my videos as well. Okay, so first up, this one is called By the Sea by Cartabella. So it's got the thicker textured papers. So this is what you get. And I'm just going to do a quick little flip through. The cut aparts. I love when we get lots of cut aparts. This is such a cute like nautical collection. That's why I had to get two. I really, really liked it. Got some whales. A lighthouse. Anchors. More cut aparts. Let's sail away together. A whale of a tail. Starfish. This is a pretty page too. Stripes. Plaid, which I love. You get this one. I followed my heart and it led me to the beach. Like, you could cut that up and put that into an album. That is so adorable. All right, and then here is the sticker sheet. So you get tons of goodies in here, and like I said, it is thicker paper than like regular Echo Park. Cartabella is like their sister brand, but it is thicker in terms of quality, and it's also textured. Okay, so that was the By the Sea collection. Let me show you guys Best Summer Ever, and this one is by Echo Park. This is a smaller haul than usual, guys, but still a haul, so I thought you guys might like seeing it. So this is Best Summer Ever. You've got some bikinis here. The back side is just a pattern. Got some fun cut aparts. I love these. They're so fun and colorful. Then you've got like water balloon fights, flamingos, and a plaid. Flamingos, pineapples, and watermelons. And is that a peach? And pineapples on the back. More cut aparts in different sizes. You got some 4x6, some 3x4, 2x2, some random size. And the back side. Flowers and some strawberries. Little trucks with pretzels, pineapples, ice creams, hot dogs. How cute. And then you've got stripes here as well. You got popsicles. And this is just like a neutrally striped page is another one, just single colored. A little barbecue setup. More plaid, or is this gingham? I don't know. This one just has a bunch of words. Tropical fun in the sun, summer sunshine, ice cream popsicles, barbecue summer, pool time, sunny days. Fun, just words. And then you got ice cream on the back, which I love that page. You've got this one with like the different kinds of strips here. And then the back side's got the watermelon. You've got sunglasses. And the back side. And then you've got your sticker sheet. Okay, so that one was called Best Summer Ever. And then we got one more, and I'll show you guys that. Okay, and this is the last one called Tartan #1 by Cartabella. So it is textured paper. You've got this pink, beautiful one, and you get 2 of each, it looks like. Look how pretty. And then the back side. Then you get a light pink and black, and then it's probably like diagonals on the back side. Yep. How pretty is that? I love this one. It looks like Burberry. So pretty. And the back side, you've got this like teal color. And then the back. And you could hear they're like thicker quality. This is the Cartabella version, and they're all textured. You've got the green and the dark blue, and then here's the back side. And then you've got this lighter blue with some darker shades, and the back side as well. So I have no idea what I'm making with this, but I thought this is always good to have in your stash when you need to add it to like another project or something. Maybe you need another piece of paper. So maybe you just need like another piece of paper or something to kind of go with another collection. So this is just nice to have on hand whenever you do need it. It's not like a project you would use the whole entire thing on one thing, you know? All right, guys, so that is everything from my Echo Park Warehouse sale haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I need to stop shopping, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.